Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you remove Meta AI from Instagram. Here's the thing, with the latest update, Meta AI was added to the search bar of Instagram already. Now, if you want to remove this, then here's the first method that you should do. You just have to simply long press your Instagram. And then what you're going to do here is you have to look for this app info. It will take you directly to the settings. Here under settings, what you're going to do next is to simply uninstall your Instagram. So they will ask you again, just click OK. Once you have uninstalled your Instagram, you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then what you're going to do here is you have to search for old version of Instagram. Why? Because in the old version of Instagram, Meta AI is not there. It's not yet added. So if you want to remove this one, or if you don't like the feature of Meta AI or Instagram latest update, what you're going to do is to simply download the old version of Instagram. You can go to any website right here. You can simply download the old version. You just have to look for the oldest version if possible, and then all you have to do is to click and then look for the download button. So once you have downloaded it and installed, all you have to do is to open, log in. And if you go to the search bar or the messenger search bar of Instagram, you will no longer see this Meta AI here. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.